Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do unboxing for Xbox X series which I purchased from Amazon. So let's open. So the packaging was good. It was pretty strong. So it took a little while to open. So let's cut this top cover and let's see what inside it. So here is a beautiful green black box where we can see inside the Xbox, and this is a gaming display which looks pretty cool, and this is a green and black theme which they advertise in the video. Okay, so let's see from where
So
we can
let's
open
do a
this.
little quick around.
I'm so excited. So let's go do it, guys.
Okay,
So one, two, three. Here we go. I thought there will be many items which I need to open, but here I can see the console, which is very big and looking pretty good like carbon fiber. It's wrapped up with the carbon fiber paper, but it's not real carbon fiber. And here are few of the wirings which we get. And this first one is a joystick. So we'll get only one joystick with the Xbox. If you need the another one, we need to purchase online, which cost around 10K. So this is the batteries which we get with the joystick, two of them, and this is the power cable which will go which will supply the power, and this is the HDMI cable. That's it. There are no other wires or anything else. This is a warranty card. Okay, so let's open this and let's see what inside. How does it look? I'm so excited. This cover is so good, the way they wrapped up. It looks like carbon fiber. So here you go, guys. The brick size. Yeah, it looks so good. It feels so amazing to hold like that. Here you can see the green and black color, which looks pretty cool for me. This is a quick look around.